test the camera, the Go-Pro8. It's freezing video, but audio is still recording. I have problem like a couple months ago. I used this camera like 4-5 years already. It have no problem, but it just have happened. I don't know why. I cannot figure out. I watch YouTube video other people doing, and then I saw one guy say using the extension battery, the battery with the iPod right here, this one. Okay, and I try to use this, and I will test record right now. I record like 1.5 minutes already, so but it show on the screen say no battery because I didn't use battery, originally battery, like plug it in. It's like look like it worked to me. It's like 1 minute. Usually at 1.5 minutes or 1 minute is frozen already. So I think this might work, but before I use this, I format the memory card and I do reset the factory reset and do other things and connect to my phone. Seems like it worked. See, now 2 minutes, so I will test to 2 minutes. See the camera kind of warm a little bit, but it's not hard. I think it's okay. Okay, look like it works, so I will use this. I'll let you know if it works next time. Okay, look like it's working for me on this time. Thank you for watching.